Every day we are taking a screenshot by our phone, by our PC. But do you know how we can take a screenshot by Adobe Premiere Pro? So in this video tutorial, we will take a screenshot in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's add one clip in your timeline. Then choose the best moment or part of your video that you wanna take a screenshot. So I want this, you can set here. So I want a screenshot of this picture. So this is the best picture which I liked in the video and I want to take a screenshot. So here are a camera icon. You can just click, pop-up window will open like that. Then choose the format. There are many formats, GIF, JPG, and also many BMP. Let me choose a PNG, and here you can new picture. Then here are path. If you choose a different path, you can choose any path or a location of your PC. There your screenshot will save. And also check this checkbox to import in your project panel. So let's OK. So as you have seen, we have a screenshot. Once I clicked OK, so you can use this screenshot anywhere in your Adobe Premiere Pro project. So this is the very small thing to take a screenshot by Adobe Premiere Pro. If you thanks for watching, subscribe for more.